मातुर्वरेण्यं भर्गो देवस्य धीमहि धियो यो नः प्रचोदयात्।
Hello student, happy day. This is Abhinaya Kannadi vocal teacher. Today we are going to learn one very interesting concept that is about gamaka. Gamaka is nothing but it is a kind of backbone of Carnatic music. It is the one which helps to differentiate our music with other kinds of music, like Western or other kinds of music here. Even with Hindustani, the type of gamaka which we use is different from Hindustani music. So, gamaka is like an ornament which adds beauty to the songs which we sing. For example, if we take Mohanam, sari sari ga pa ga sa sa da pa ga ri sa, we'll see that in one type of gamaka. It adds essence to the raga. For example, we'll see that in the types of gamakas which I'm going to explain. There are 15 types of gamakas, but now we are going to see some 4 basic types of gamakas here in the class. Sliding gamakas, wavy gamakas, double notes and vibration gamakas. Okay. Sliding gamakas you can also call as jaru. They are nothing but, I was about to tell that with Mohanam. Sari ga pa da sa sa da pa ga ri sa, that is Mohanam, correct. But sari ga pa da sa sa da pa ga ri sa. Now you can see the difference between the one which I sang earlier and the one which I sang now. The slide adds more unity to the raga. So this is called sliding gamaka. Sari ga pa da, that is called sliding gamaka or jaru. The second type of gamaka is nothing but wavy gamaka. It is like a wave. Okay. It is also called as kampita. The wavy gamaka is also called as kampita. And we also have another type of gamaka called double notes. Sa sa ri ri ga ga ma ma pa pa da da ni ni sa 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 ni ni da da pa pa ma ma ga ga ri sa sa we give pressure to the second note, it forms a gamaka. So it is called a kampita. And the last one is the vibration gamaka. It is nothing but a very fast gamaka. Okay, only with proper classical training you can sing vibration gamaka. For example, Shri Saraswati. See, a set of swaras in one beat you are singing a set of swaras. Shri Saraswati Namostute Varade. That is all spuritam, fast gamakas, vibration gamakas. So these are 4 types of basic types of gamakas. I hope you like the class. See you in the next class. Bye bye. Hello children. Today we are going to see the life history of Swami Dikshitar. He is one among the trinities of music. Muthuswami Dikshitar was a South Indian poet, a singer and a veena player as well. He is a legendary composer who was in classical music, who is considered one among the trinity of Carnatic music. He has composed over 500, more than 500 songs, and he is known for his poetic descriptions of Hindu gods, and also he is known for capturing the essence of raga forms through Veena style composition. As he is a Veena player, his compositions are get the essence of the song out. So his compositions are very known for the getting the essence of the song out, and they are very slow in slow paced compositions. And he, according to the sources, Lord Murugan, the deity of Muruga in Tirutani, placed a piece of sugar in Dikshita's mouth, it was believed, and commanded him to sing. And that marked his start of career. And he adopted Mudra, Guru Guha in all his songs. You have the Guru Guha punch in his compositions. He has attained mastery over Veena, and he is evident all the gamakas which we saw in the last class. He has strong gamakas in his compositions, and he is a very great composer. He died in the year 1835 at Ettayapuram. A samadhi was erected at Ettayapuram, and he is a very renowned musician in Carnatic music. The music industry has ever had. Okay, hope you got to know some facts about Muthuswami Dikshithar. We will see some of his compositions in the next class. Bye. Hello children, today we will see some important compositions of Muthuswami Dikshithar. Muthuswami Dikshithar, as I told you, is one of the trinity of Carnatic music. He has composed a lot of songs. I named 2 songs now, and I will be singing one song in the next class as well, teaching you one song in the next class as well. One is Shri Guru Guha, composed by Muthuswami Dikshithar, and also Varashiva Balam, composed. 2 are my favorite songs of Muthuswami Dikshithar. Shri Guru Guha, Ragam Sutta Saveri. Shri Guru, I will sing 2 lines for you. Shri Guru Guha. I told you, right, that punch of Muthuswami Dikshithar, the mudra. Shri Guru Guha Palaya Saravana Bhava. Shri Guru Guha Palaya Saravana Bhava. One of the famous compositions of Muthuswami Dikshithar. We will be seeing another composition of Muthuswami Dikshithar in the next class. I am going to teach you one song, Varashiva Balam, also composed by Muthuswami Dikshithar. We will see the composition Varashiva Balam of Muthuswami Dikshithar in the next class. Okay? See you in the next class. Bye bye. Hello children. As I told you in the previous class, we are going to learn the Varashiva Balam, Ragam Shankaraparanam, composed by Muthuswami Dikshithar. I will sing the song for you. It is a very nice small song, one of my favorite songs. It's a very nice song. Varashiva Balam Valli Lolam Vande Nanda Harihara Moham Hamsanandam Hasasamudam Guru Guha Rupam Guktagaram Gorachandam Surapati Senam Subramanyam Suravinutam Varashiva Balam Valli Lolam Vande Nandam Harihara Moham Hamsanandam Hasasamudam Guru Guha Rupam Guktagaram Gorachandam Surapati Senam Subramanyam Suravinutam Hasasamudam Suravinutam. That's it. About Lord Muruga, it's a very simple song, cute, simple song. Listen to the song. I hope you like the song. Please practice the song at home. Okay, see you in the next class. Bye bye. Have a nice day.